Funky Monkey, and this is my first video ever, and so I'm getting really excited. First, I'm going to give you a tour of my American Girl room. So here it is. It's right underneath, so this is my bed. It's a bunk bed, and then underneath. And then inside are my girls. They're sleeping right now. So first, that's their laundry. That's their trash can. That's their light. And then that's just extra. And so there's their closet. And that's Liliana. Reagan is downstairs. You can't, she's not there. That will be Jennifer's bed. Jennifer's, she might come on Monday, so yeah. That's Rosetta, or Rosie for short. And there's her bed. Her bed is a trundle, so they share a bed. And then over here is Sarah, and she has the American Girl little bed. So there you have my little American room. Thanks for watching. Bye.